important poem name, The Voice of the Rain. Everyone knows. We love to hear this sound, very pleasant sound that everyone likes to listen. And this season also loved by many of the people. Okay, in that season we can see many of the changes into the atmosphere, and we can see the clean atmosphere too. Here we are having the poem The Voice of the Rain, written by Walt Whitman. Let me tell you about Walt Whitman. First of all, here you can see the picture, who was known as an American poet, essayist and also journalist. Walt Whitman has written many of the beautiful poems, and that's why he was also known as the most influential poet amongst all other American poets. So Walt Whitman is also known as the father of free verse. Verse is a poem. Free poem. Very nicely he has given his own thoughts into the poem, and that's why he has called the father of free verse. So Walt Whitman, as I have told you, here you can see the picture. Okay, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, and thus he was known as the father of free verse. Here we are having the one kind of verse, poem. Verse is the poem with 14 to 15 lines. उसे हम कहते हैं verse. So here we are having a very beautiful poem, The Voice of the Rain. Very first paragraph. Let us look at the first paragraph. And who art thou? This is the poetic language. The word art is new for you here. Art means are and thou means you. And who are you? Why question is here? Before moving forward towards explanation, let me introduce about the poem again, that here whatever given into the poem, this is the conversation or a dialogue between poet and the rain. Here we have given the dialogue between poet and the rain. Poet asked many of the questions to the rain, and rain has given answer also. That means here we can see the personification figure of speech. And why personification? Because rain is non-living thing. Though rain has given answer into the poem, that means it is called personification. So here we are having the dialogue between poet and the rain. First of all, the question asked by poet to the rain. Poet has asked one of the questions to the rain. Which question he has asked? Let us look at the poem. And who art thou means, and who are you? Question, are you? Art thou means, are you? Said I. Here I means poet, Walt Whitman. Who are you? Said I to the soft falling shower. Soft falling shower means here rain. When we can see the rain, it is just look like a shower. So that's why to the soft falling shower, the poet has asked one of the beautiful questions, that who are you? And in the very next line, which strange to tell, give me an answer as here translated. Which is looked very strange. Why? Why this is very strange? Just because the most important part of the poem is rain. Rain has given answer, and this is the strange thing for poet. How can rain give answer? But still in this poem, rain has given answer, and this part is looked very strange. Give me an answer. This is the strange part, that rain has given me an answer as here translated. The below this line has given the translation. Which kind of translation? Now the answer of the rain started from here. Look at the very next line. I am the poem of the earth. Rain has given this answer. I am the poem of earth. Rain is the poem of earth. Says the voice of the rain. That means the rain has given this answer to the poem. Answer to the poet, sorry. That I am the poem of the earth. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and bottomless sea. That means the rain actually. Now here I just want to tell you about the point that you already learned in science subject. Water cycle. A very beautiful topic, water cycle, in which the water rises from the land as water vapor and they move to upward and become cold. Again that comes down in the form of rain. So again that water comes to the land in the form of rain. So this cycle is called water cycle. Here we have given that point. That eternal I rise means rain actually rise from the impalpable land. Here impalpable means untouchable. No one can touch the rain at that time. Untouchable. Out of the land. As just because of the heat, the water gets heated and just because of that water vapor rises from the land to the bottomless sea and comes back to the bottomless. Bottomless here means deep. Here bottomless means deep sea. So here the rain has given his life cycle. As I have rise from the land and again move back to the sea. Upward to heaven, as water vapor rises from the land. So upward to heaven. Heaven means sky. Here heaven means sky. And winds vaguely formed all together, changed and yet the same. Here vaguely means roughly. Vaguely means here roughly. So that rain formed. Why? Just because of water vapor upside, just because of condensation, the clouds created, and just because of that cloud rain we can see onto the earth, and all together changed and yet the same. The same water cycle has been there onto the earth continuously we can see. Okay, that's why this is the answer of the rain. Now let's move towards the next line. The next line says from the rain is I descend means I come down. Descend here means come down. So I descend to level the draughts. Level means to give. The draughts, atomies, dust layers, the globe. Draughts, whatever the dry parts are there, so for them the rain coming down onto the earth. Atomies means small particles, for them rain coming down onto the earth, and dust layers. So whenever rain is coming we can see none of the dust over there. We can see the clean atmosphere. So for them rain is coming down. This is the answer we can get from the rain. Actually the word vitamin has got from the rain. And all that in them without me were seeds, only latent, unborn. And here the rain says that why I am coming down onto the earth. The reason she has given to us, she means here rain. So she has given the reason that without me none of the thing is possible onto the earth. And the most important thing is to grow of the seed. Here without rain the seed cannot grow. Seed cannot come out of the land. So here latent means hidden. That hidden seeds. In the rainy season you can see that whatever the land you can see without plants, in the rainy season you can see everywhere greenery. Whatever the hidden seeds are there, they also grow in that region. So here latent seeds mean unborn, जो अभी grow हुए नहीं है, that grows in these seasons. So for them rain is coming down onto the earth. And forever, by day and night, this rain cycle moves again and again, moving back again and again, and it runs as the same cycle runs. Okay, वो डे और नाइट चलती रहती वो साइकिल, एंड आई गिव बैक लाइफ टू माय ओन ओरिजिन. यहाँ ओन ओरिजिन मीन्स व्हाट? अर्थ. And the rain has given life to many of the things, and she has given her life to herself. She was moving down, again she goes up, and then again coming down in the form of the rain, again goes up with the water vapor. So this rain cycle continuously running, okay, and make pure and beauty it. To whom it make pure and beauty? Earth. She has given birth again and again to the earth and make it pure and beautiful. As into the rainy season, you can see that just because of the rain, everything becomes clean. Even not a single particular small particles you can see into the atmosphere. So the rain makes the earth pure and beautiful. So at the end, the poet told us that for song, means whatever the poem here given us, the poet says that whatever the song issuing from its birthplace, means whatever the song, the poem he has got from the birthplace, means earth, after fulfillment, whatever the fulfillment he has got, वो deliver करते हैं लोगों को, that this is mine poem. As the people heard, as the people listened that poem, and rendering ragged or unragged duly with love returns. जाने अनजाने में, knowingly or unknowingly, the people, means the reader, giving back their loves to the poet. That this is the very nice one. As we are also right now discussing about this, so definitely we are thinking about Walt Whitman. So our loves moving to that person. So love returns with these song. So here the poet has compared two of the things that जैसे कि रेन है वो हर बार अपनी लाइफ क्रिएट करती है, again her life coming back to the rain. So likewise also the author has got love from the people as he delivered his poem to the readers. So this is the poem Voice of the Rain, in which we can see many of the strange things that we cannot even believe or imagine. So this is the answer given by the rain. I hope you also can listen this kind of answer from the rain. Try to ask the question to the rain, and whatever you will get, just inform me too. So this is the poem Voice of the Rain given by Walt Whitman. You just refer this video, and whatever the queries you are having, we will discuss this poem into the live session. Thank you.